In their 1990 album Behaviour, the Pet Shop Boys sang "So much confusion when autumn comes around. What to do about October, how to smile behind a frown. It's hard to settle down." Well, Neil, Chris, sounds to me like you boys need to settle down with Monday Matters, right here on Gary's Stuff. Hi there, I'm Gary. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back. If you've been here before, today indeed is Monday Matters. Now, as usual, I'll be having a quick look at some of the news and rumour from the model making world. I'll be catching up with what I've been doing on my bench, and of course I'll be showing you this week's kit of the week. All these bits come as chapters. You can hop backwards and forwards as your heart desires. If you like what you see, please do remember, give it the imperial thumbs up on the like button below, because every like counts. And if you haven't done so yet, please do subscribe to the channel and hit that bell, and you'll be notified of all my future content as it is published. And of course, if you'd like to offer a bit more concrete support, you can do that through Super Thanks by becoming a channel member or by using any of my online partner programs. Okay, before we crack on with the news, I just wanted to say the Equinox group build finished this last weekend after 2 months. There have been an amazing number of kits built, some really, really seriously lovely work, all done in a very, very good spirit, and I could not be more proud of the first group build I've organised. Really excited about it. Kind of makes me want to do another one, thinking about maybe doing a Winter Warriors kind of thing, maybe November, December, leading up to the new year. What do you think? I'll put up a poll sometime in the next day or two, and with some ideas about what we might want to do. See what you think. I like group builds. I think they're hilariously good fun. It kind of encourages you to do stuff you'd never done before. I've done a lot of resin, a lot of photo etch, and a water effect I've never even tried before. So yeah, I think it's great to do. Let's have a thought. Maybe you don't want to do one quite so quickly. Maybe you're just thinking, mate, just do whenever you want to do group builds, just pile it on, because I'll do them. I don't know. Let me know what you think. I'll put up a poll very, very soon. I'll notify it on. It'll be on the community page of my site on YouTube, so keep an eye out on that. Okay then. I'll be doing a video about all your builds as well later on this week. There are a lot of them. Really are quite a lot of them. It's going to be quite a long video. I need to sort out a bit more music licensing as well to cover it. But fantastic to see. Seriously, the variety and the quality is exceptional. I'm really, really pleased with it. Thank you also very, very much for taking part. Anyway, let's make a start then and have a look at the news of the week. LUKGRAPH has a new release of the Armorio HD1 and HD2 in both 1/24th and 1/32nd scales, with the option of the Lerone or Clerget engines. Both kits contain both cast and 3D printed resin with photo etched extras and are definitely designed for experienced modelers. There's also a float plane version of the HD2 in both scales. Not content with the one impossible kit, LUKGRAPH has also introduced a new kit of the Albatros D3 Earthag, again in both 1/24th and 1/32nd scales, again with cast resin, 3D printed resin, and photo etch. There's also an optional box of the 1/24th aircraft in Polish service. AMP has re-released its kit of the Piasecki HUP1 and HUP2 helicopters in 1/48th scale. The tools are only 3 years old, but now AMP has added resin parts to the injection molded plastic and photo etch of the previous releases. Also from AMP are more photos of their new Supermarine S6B in 1/48th scale. I know a lot of you are very interested in this kit. It does make a stunning looking model. AML has a new conversion set for the 1/72nd scale P39D to make an Aerocobra Mark I in Fleet Air Arm colours. The conversion includes the forward retracting tailhook. The ideal base kit for this would be the RS Models release. News from EDUARD, and they are racing ahead with their planned P51B and C Mustang kits in 1/48th scale. Although it's a conversion from their existing P51D, apparently the kits only share one single plastic frame. The rest are completely new. They've also said that they've been doing research work in support of a new 1/48th scale P40 Warhawk, this due for the second half of 2024. Also, a new 1/48th scale Junkers Ju-87 next year. This will be the first in a whole line of Stukas. Exciting times for the EDUARD Bunny. On to lands now, and Freedom Model Kits has this R75 motorbike and sidecar combo in 1/16th scale. If you like weathering, this is going to be an absolute dream for you. Das Werk has been showing a test shot of their massive Vomag truck with 88mm flak gun in 1/35th scale, also showing the colour schemes that it will be offered with. They've also given a sneak preview of their 1/16th scale Sonderkraftfahrzeug 234 Puma, this due out next year. Canadian company HAIDUCMODELS has announced this 1/35th scale 3D printed resin kit of the Romanian Marechal tank destroyer. If you think it looks a bit familiar, then it's because many German sources cite this as the inspiration for the design of the Hetzer tank destroyer. Ryfield's model has a new box of its Challenger 2 main battle tank in 1/35th scale, this time with modifications added by Ukrainian forces. And apropos the other conflict in the headlines, Border Model has announced a new kit of the Israeli Merkava 2D main battle tank in 1/35th scale, which, from the photo here of this test build, seems to live up to the claim of having a full interior. SS Models has this new 3D printed Valentine 11 tank in 1/72nd scale. Given the plea on the cover to check everything first, I guess they don't yet have huge confidence in their quality control at the factory. And finally, fans of British heavy metal heavyweights Iron Maiden will be pleased to see Michael KONTRAROS Collectibles has this range of 1/24th scale resin statues based on classic Iron Maiden album covers. These include The Seventh Son of a Seventh Son, Power Slave, Fear of the Dark, Peace of Mind, and my own personal favourite, The Number of the Beast. On my bench this week, well, I published a video of the build of the de Havilland Chipmunk in 1/48th scale in the camouflage colours that majority of you voted for. So hope you enjoyed that. It's a lovely little kit with it's got its issues, but it is still a really nice kit to build. I've also completed the videos of the ICM Mistel combo, the BF-109 and Junkers 88 flying bomb combination. Again in 1/48th scale, quite a monster, quite a kit, and it needed a couple of videos, and that's what it's got. So both those videos have been up. Check them out if you haven't seen them yet. I have, of course, been working on other projects. I've been doing my own Equinox group build kit, HMS Devonshire in 1/600th scale, learning a lot and picking up a few ideas and maybe getting some ideas for future videos as well while I'm doing it. I've also been making the ICM Cossack 2. I'm getting on quite a long way through that build now. My goodness, what a great kit. I mean, seriously, the fit and engineering is phenomenal. Wait till you see the video of it. It's a thing of wonder. I've also been testing out a 3D printer, which has been quite fun. So far, I've only printed a cartoon penguin, but it was fun to do. And amazing piece of kit, just runs off your phone, through Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. So I'll be putting up a couple of videos about that later on this week as well. Anyway, so with the chippy and the mist out of the way, finally, I can get on with another kit. And that kit is, of course, this week's kit of the week. This week, I am building, in fact, this week and next week, because again, it's quite a big build, the F-16A Viper midlife update NATO aircraft in 1/48 scale from Kinetic, a kit very kindly sent to me by those nice chaps down at ModelWorks in New Haven. All I said was, what are they like? They're going to be at Telford, so what are the kits like before I go and have a chat with them? And they said, well, why don't we send you one to make and you can find out for yourself. So indeed, I'm going to find out for myself. I've already shot the box opening. That will be coming up first thing this week. Then, of course, the build videos will be out later on. How will you know when the build videos are up? Well, simplest thing to do, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell, and you'll be notified of all my content as it is published. And of course, anything you do like, please do remember, give it the imperial thumbs up on the like button below, because every like counts. Thank you so very much for joining me this Monday. Hope you have a good week. I hope to see you again very soon on the channel. Take very good care now, and goodbye.